Dave, when you say 54-96, that's 54-inch pipe up to 96-inch pipe.
Yep. This pipe will bypass stuff and seal up a pipe up to 96 inches.
That's crazy.
Hold back like 15 psi back pressure.
For perspective, this is a 3-inch test ball, right? This is residential size. I mean, I've used these for 25 years.
Right.
And, you know, cool product and all, but look at that. It doesn't even compare. This isn't my ball game, right? I'm just not used to something like this, but like for perspective for somebody at home, how much does this thing weigh?
This thing weighs about 1,600 pounds.
That's crazy. So they're lifting this thing with like a crane or a backhoe or something like that.
Yep, crane or a backhoe or track hoe, putting it in position. Sometimes they put them in tandem, depending on what the job is.
I don't even want to know.
And these plugs will sit in the job site, in the pipe for days, even weeks, keeping pressure so as they're doing different work.
Yeah, because they can hold a lot of pressure on the back side of it.
Yep. I mean, the back pressure, you know, it's, I'd say 11 psi back pressure.
Right, but you're talking, I mean, that diameter, like, just crazy.
Yeah, I mean,
so what kind of piping system is this? I mean, we know the size, but where would you see this being used?
You see this in municipalities, in the cities, you know, underground, San Antonio, Boston, New York, every city in the United States, the underground infrastructure has pipes this size.
So a huge industry that you guys are supplying world-class products to, not only the municipalities, but you guys are doing specialized stuff with chemical-resistant pillow bags, all kinds of cool stuff.
Yeah, I mean the industry is growing like crazy as testing becomes prevalent in the different pipes we're putting underground, as we learn about the effects of the environment and want to make sure that we're not negatively impacting the environment. A lot of testing goes on as pipes are laid and infrastructure is repaired, and that's where our products come in to help do that.
This is a state-of-the-art facility for testing plugs for the Waterworks industry. We can test here anywhere from 6-inch all the way up to 96-inch plug.
Now, these are specialized testing chambers, right?
That's right. These chambers, these pipes, we can test up to 180 psi. These are designed to test a high pressure.
Wow, so you have these, I mean, these are not just regular pipes.
These are not. These are specially designed for our application.
Wow, and so I see the room's constructed different than everywhere else in the plant. You've got an overhead crane, but then you've got, like, the walls are built specially and everything.
Yep, so this has to stand when a plug bursts, there's a lot of pressure that is coming out. We have special panels here that will open if the pressure builds up too much in this area here. So you don't feel the concussion going out of this facility.
So you're doing destructive testing here.
We are doing destructive testing during the R&D stages. So new product development goes through 9 different tests, very extreme testing. We burst our plugs here. We do everything to make sure the plugs are safe for the end user.
So from prototype to final product.
Prototype to final product.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. So what size is this right here?
So this is a 2460 plug. This can go from roughly 20 inches in diameter all the way to 60 inches.
That's crazy.
Now, when we sell our product, as Jake must have told you, we test every plug. These plugs get tested to its full size that is going to be used in the field.
Really?
So this is a 60-inch pipe. The maximum size is 60-inch. So we test it in a 60-inch to its full capability.
Now, are you just putting air in it, or is there water involved or anything like that?
So this test facility is designed for both air and water.
Okay.
When I'm doing burst test, like extreme testing, we use water. It's a lot more safer that way.
Okay.
But for the production testing, regular performance, we use air.
Well, okay, so let's put this into perspective for everybody watching. You said this is how big?
60 inches in diameter.
60 inches in diameter, and it's partially inflated, just big enough so we can show. Let's pull this thing out.
Sure.
All right. That is crazy. I have never seen anything like this. This is so exciting.
Yep.
That's cool. So this isn't even as big as you get.
We have a bigger than this. We go up to right now 96 inches. I have one plug in the pipe that I can show you that goes up to 96 inches.
Will you show me?
Sure.
All right.
This is a 54 to 96 plug.
So it'll go as small as 54 inches,
Yeah.
up to 96
96 inches.
You've got it partially inflated here. I see
That's
it's
right.
not fully inflated.
For safety reasons, we don't inflate plug fully when people are around here.
Yeah, I'm not fully trained in this, but I talked this him into this. He's gonna let me try to pull this out of the pipe. So let's give it a shot. Is that okay?
Give it a shot.
All right. Normally you would do this with like
Mechanical
machinery,
aid
right?
machines, yes.
Forget it. Oh, actually I didn't think I was gonna be able to do this. So hold on a minute. Dave, Jake, come on. Let's do this. Can you get in here and help?
We can get in there.
All right. Oh, Asif, this is so awesome. Thanks for letting us take a look around your lab here.